I'm CEO and founder of TradeSpoon, and today I'd like to go over current market conditions and trade of the day as we are approaching CPI and PPI data next week. So interest rates are probably the most important chart to look at. So let's talk about that. Disclosures are very important. Please read them. You can always pause the screen if you need more time to read the disclosures. If you're new to trading stock or options, I encourage you to visit this link to understand the risk associated with trading stock or options. All right, we do have a webinar on Friday, so please join me, 9:30 Central. All right, let's take a look. Stock Forecast Toolbox, our main model, basically what happened? Basically shows that trend has turned bullish. We have pretty sharp rebound above 50-day moving average. We closed above 50-day moving average 2 days in a row, uptrend. Model C potentially retesting the new highs in the next 10 days and not much momentum below 510 level. A lot of it depends on the CPI data and PPI data next Tuesday, right? We could be at 525. We could also break 510 level if CPI comes in harder than expected. Until then, I think we're just going to trade sideways. If you zoom out to 6 months prediction on spiders, still positive trend, so positive trend is intact. 500 is your support, 533 is overhead resistance for the months of May. So I agree with the model. Let's look at 10-year yield. 10-year yield continues to drop, 445. We touched 50-day moving average, so yield is oversold. Short term, despite hawkish statement today from Neil, keep forgetting how to pronounce it, sorry, Kashhari, sorry if I mispronounced. But despite hawkish statement that the interest rate hikes are not off the table, rate has continued to drop and was as low as 440. So that's positive for the market. Dollar continues to pull back to almost to 50-day moving average. All of that is positive for the market, and that's why we have a rebound. And VIX back to 13 levels, so very little fear in the market. Main event is again next Tuesday, PPI and CPI data. If it comes in better than expected, trending lower, PPI and CPI, I think the rally will continue. And if not, then the rally will pull back. Meanwhile, in Elite Circle, this is Elite Circle, we can see all of my trades, right? And you can participate in morning bell, closing bell, in trading sessions. So we have live trading room. You can watch the recordings live trading room. You can enter your phone number to get SMS messages. This is an example of where I look for these asymmetrical returns, 100%, 200% returns. So here, Disney, I bought Butterfly for 80 cents, closed for $1.70 the next day. Disney did drop 10%, market continues to be volatile, and these are some of the trades. I would be still bearish on Disney. It's a pretty large move to the downside. And please follow us on YouTube. We do have a TradeSpoon channel. Search for the word TradeSpoon. Click on subscribe button and like us, follow us. And we're trying to grow our community. Thank you very much and have a great day.